welcome to the next episode of Pokémon Platinum. Last time we psychic this Machoke and it lived on 1 HP. Today we are going to kill it with a Bug Bite. When a Bug Bite kills you, you know that you need serious help. Now... Oh my god, that was... Oh, I want to level up Pan. It's sad. Wait, did anyone take any major damage? Oh yes, the Raptor did. It's the Raptor. Let's continue on. This water never ends. It's actually getting quite annoying. I just want to get to the Victory Road, because Victory Road, okay. To be fair, Victory Road, I don't like Victory Road. It's kind of hype in the beginning, then it starts to get annoying. You know what I mean? It's like the music starts from like BAM! But then all these these puzzles. My favorite guy is someone that looks good out in open sea. Like, it starts to get annoying with all the puzzles, all the wild Pokemon. I know it wouldn't be a problem with the wild Pokemon if you had Repel, but I don't I'm cheap, and I don't like using Repels. So that's a problem for me. But I just don't like using them. But anyways, it's just, I don't know, there's something annoying about it. It's like a maze and a cave with wild Pokemon. It's everything it's almost like everything I hate about. But then the music is so hyped, so you kind of get hyped as well. I don't know. It's like everything I hate and love about Pokemon at the same time. Everything's there. All the things I hate. All the things I love. Just all there in one package. And it's mostly all the things I hate. But, oh, I got a Dive Ball. That'll not be useful. I don't think there's any water legend. Are there any water legendary Pokemon I need to catch? No, I don't think so. So it's useless. Oh, that's a great tentacle. The cool tentacle. Make sure I can run away. You can't escape. You thought you could escape? Oh my god, I hate you. Come on! I hate you, shit. Why? We should be able to run away from Pokemon battle, a wild Pokemon battle, no matter what. Oh my god, Lex, we need you. We need you. We need you, Lex. Why does it do neutral damage? Oh my god! Come on! Lex already has low accuracy moves. Oh my god. Thunder. Do it, Thunder. Yeah! Die. Burn. No one wants to see you ever again. Level 45. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah. Itch my arm. Okay, Mitchell, you're up next. You, I challenge you to a Pokemon battle so I could get some free XP. Did you know I was crowned the champion of the swimsuit contest? So now I'm trying to win a title at a Pokemon contest. Pokemon and swimsuit challenge are two different things. I'm just saying. We always need Lex is always the saving grace. Lex is always the saving grace. I think I'm using Lex too much, but Lex is kind of weak, so he kind of needs the EXP. I'm not saying Lex is weak, but no, it's just that he has strong special attack, but he can deal the damage, but he can't take it. Can't take a hit. You see, I'm almost out of I'm almost out of moves, PP moves for Lex, because I've been using him so. Well, it's a water place. So. Whirlpool. What is neutral? Stop being neutral. I don't like that. Oh my god! I only have 3 charge beams left. Lux is definitely gonna be the one to rest if there's a Pokemon Center in between here and the... I think there's a Pokemon Center in between here and Victory Road. Oh my god, I just want to get to Victory Road. I'm probably never... I thought I was gonna do it like 2 episodes ago, but I guess not. It's just this place is so long. I don't like it. Thunder. Okay. One speeches. I never lose when I'm in my swimsuit. Ooh, a rare candy. I'm gonna save it for Beans because we're not letting him fight, so I guess it's only fair. Actually, no, we're saving the rare candy for training. I forgot. How many rare candies do I have? Oh, 1. Well, I'll use it to begin the train. I don't know. I'm just gonna use it when I get Beans back. Okay, this might be the last battle of the day. Oh, come on! Not this one. The next one. These wild Pokemon! Look at all the Pokemon! They're everywhere you see. The Pokemons are everywhere you look and see and feel. Nah, yes I know I can surf. I'd rather swim instead. It would seem where I agree. Just please get out of my way. Gaderos. You're probably gonna use a water technique on me. That's why I have Lux to deal with Gyarados like you. Okay, this might hurt. Why is it neutral? I don't understand. Why is it neutral? It should be not very effective. Or maybe it has been and I just... Oh my god, maybe water attacks are neutral against electric types. Maybe they aren't not very effective. Everything I've been told is a lie. Lux is just gaining levels. Oh, hi. One of my cats came in. His name is Meadows. He's staring at me like, what the hell are you doing? What you doing, Brandon? Meadows. Right now. Oh my god, we made it to the waterfall. Come on, get out of my way, Mantine! I'm getting to the waterfall. Just please, let me have this. Let me have this. Please, thank you. Hooper, do what you were born to do. Waterfall. Oh yeah. We made it. Okay, so I'm gonna get prepared for this because I know that we're gonna need strength and we're gonna need strength and rock smash for this. So we're gonna switch out Arnold for Wooper. And we're gonna oh wait, let me put you in the legendary box. Legendary. Okay. And I'm gonna replace Beans with Lex. Lex, you're getting them levels. And let me give the rare candy to Beans, because he deserves it. Actually, no. I don't know. Any, meeny, money, mo, get it for... I'm just gonna give it to Mitchell, because I'm too lazy. Okay. You know who's about to level up anyways. But I don't care. Beans, you're up. Let's get out of here. Wait, is there a shop? It's time. Next time on Pokemon Platinum, we will go to Victory Road. See you there.